Hello friends, welcome to Trade with Books English channel, and today we are going to discuss a very solid and master swing trading setup that is called adaptive relative strength. I have explained you earlier also the relative strength concept, which shows that which are the stocks which are currently stronger than overall market. That stocks are going to be the leader in the next market rally. So we are going to identify that stocks also with a charting screener. I will explain you how to use that screener, what is the system, what is the basic of the system, principal concept, everything will discuss in detail. So be with me. I am going to tell you a secret trading strategy which you will use for your lifetime. That is my promise, and you will love it. I have already explained you relative strength 55 and relative strength 123 model, but that is standard. Like, you are not seeing what is going on in current market, you are simply putting 123 and 55 for short term trades, 123 for long term trades, and you are checking in last 123 daily candles which are the stocks which are outperforming Nifty, and which are the stocks which are outperforming Nifty in last 55 candles. But if you know that from which day Nifty is falling, or Nifty has a major other move, reversed move, from that day if you can compare which are the stocks which have not fallen, or which have resisted this fall, like which are against the wind movement. When the heavy wind will come in cyclone time, some of the trees will resist that because their roots are very strong. So that strong roots we are going to find in the stocks. So that concept first we'll understand in the price action, that the same concept has been actually made in an indicator. This is not an indicator, that's a concept of relative strength. Two cars are in a race, one car is your overall market, so the other car is your that stock which is stronger, which is faster than the overall market. If somehow you can get that stock, you can bet on that when the overall market will flow in uptrend, because that stock will go more than the market. That only you need now, because in FD you get return of 8%. If you do index trading or ETF, you will get 12% to 15% maybe on an average if you go for 10 years. But if you want to get then alpha, that additional 3 to 5%, that is possible only when you bet on the stronger stocks. Okay, this much is clear. Then I will go through the price action. So if you see Nifty, for the overall market I am taking Nifty, because Nifty shows that what is the trend of overall market. It is not like you, when you have to buy only Nifty 50 stocks, you have to do this. For any stocks for the overall market, we will compare the stock with the Nifty, first thing. Second thing, we will use tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is best for charting. So we'll use tradingview.com, not the tradingview.com which is available on your Zerodha and Grow. We will use tradingview.com at your browser, Google Chrome or Safari, wherever you are using, there we'll use. So if you see from this 27 September candle, this candle, from here onwards Nifty is falling and Nifty is making lower low, lower high like this. Once it breached this last high, but this breakout failed and again Nifty has gone down. Now it is sideways until this break this level. Okay. Now the simple concept is, if you read some books or you read some interviews of the big traders of the past, like 100 years of US and all, America, you will find that they simply see one simple thing, very simple thing. When your overall market is making a new low, suppose this time when the Nifty breached this large low and made a new low, that time which were the stocks which defended their low, like they didn't break this last low, these were the strong stocks. Very easy, you can find out whatever stocks you are holding in your portfolio, whether they hold it, they defended their last low or they breached this last low. This is simple concept. This will tell you that your stock is stronger than Nifty, your sector is stronger than Nifty or not. Okay, so suppose here Nifty will make a new low. Now this week, any day, Nifty make a new low by breaching this low, by breakdown. That day you see whether your stock or your sector is holding this low or it is not holding and it is simply giving away, or it has already broken. Then that sector or stock is weaker than Nifty. This is simple concept. I am telling you again. When your market is breaking its low, your stock or sector should not break this low, it should defend this low, last low. That is the strong stocks. So if you see IT sector chart, from here onwards this was sideways, IT sector was sideways, so it was showing that it is stronger than Nifty. You have seen yesterday TCS above 6%, HCL Technology is making higher high, higher low. Nifty is falling, but that stock is going upward. So that shows that that sector is stronger now. So that sector is stronger not from now. When I explained in my Hindi channel earlier, this major fall of election day result, if you see, I am going very slow because I used to explain everything to you. Video will be very long, but you will gain a knowledge that will be useful for your lifetime. So please give the time. In short term, if I will go for a views, I'll make a video of 11 minutes, 12 minutes, that you will not get anything. Finally, you have to join my course that is not available. So better we'll learn in free here itself. People asking simply for courses, but here everything I'm explaining, nothing left for courses. So here, this candle you see, this was a major fall of election day result. Okay. Now what I used to check, and I used to explain people that if here Nifty tried to go down, suppose after this Nifty, these buyers, bull, jo people who are bullish, they will take the Nifty again up. But how many days it took so to break this level? That day's high, 3 days. In 3 days, Nifty made a new high after this candle. But if you open IT sector chart, that took only 1 day, and next day itself it broken this high. So from there onwards, you see Nifty IT was stronger than Nifty, and it has made a huge run. If we'll open that Nifty IT chart, this is the Nifty IT chart, and this is that candle of election day result. That candle itself was a hammer candle, so it was a bullish candle. The next day itself the high was broken here. Whereas PSU stocks, if you bet on PSU stocks, and if you want to see the this chart of PSU sector, public sector enterprises, if you see, this is the candle of election day result. This candle, this high is broken after a long time. That itself was showing that public sector enterprises are now gone, their time has gone. So like this only you can also find out with the price action itself. Now same thing I am going to explain with an indicator. This is free version of TradingView. So price action itself shows that what are the sectors and stocks of the now leader. You see, after that this public sector has fallen, it will not give you any return, because here itself it was visible. Now 27 September is a very major day, because from there onwards Nifty has started falling. This I am explaining from 27th December itself. That day itself I have shown this videos in my Hindi channel. English channel was not there, but I am again telling you, this is very easy, you can learn. You just focus what I am telling. Now what we have to do, we have to see which are the sectors which have less fallen than Nifty in this period from 27 September to this one. So one way is to go and just check one by one, like Nifty has fallen 10.5%. So I will check Bank Nifty how much has fallen. So I will check IT sector how much has fallen. So this is 27 September candle. So if I will measure from here, I will see IT sector has not fallen, it has gained 5.4%. That itself is showing that IT sector is stronger than Nifty. Okay, like that one by one I can go, but that will take a lot of time. So one indicator is there to make this work easy. Now understood? You see here it was sideways when Nifty was falling. The thing I was telling is Nifty is making lower low lower, and this sector is sideways. That itself is showing that is resisting the heavy winds, high wind speed. So it will be the leader of the next rally, and it is showing that thing. So smart money, the big money is going in IT sector. So we should also put our money in IT sector. Simple thing. In IT sector stock also the same thing can be done. So now the concept is how to do that indicator work. So you have to open in TradingView one indicator called relative strength of a stock. So here indicator you go. Again I am telling, don't open TradingView in Grow or Zerodha. You have to open TradingView in your browser and you have to search relative strength of a stock. When you write relative strength of a stock, many indicator will come, but one with that Bharat trader will come. This Bharat trader is written. This Bharat trader you select, and bottom this Bharat trader indicator has come. In Bharat trader indicator setting, if you go input here, 123 is there. This number is standard number for static RS. This is called static relative strength. If someone don't know from where I have to calculate, he has to take 123 or 55. But now we know from where we have to calculate relative strength. We are comparing relative to Nifty. That is called relative strength. So 123 number will change according to, we know that from where Nifty is falling. So that number, how we'll know that from how many days Nifty is falling? One way is to just count how many days are passed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. From these numbers you can count like 1, 2, 3, 4. But that also will take a lot of time. So easy thing is, in here TradingView one measuring tool is there. So here you close to close you check that 10.5% Nifty has fallen in 71 bars. If you see here, 71 bars have been passed, means 71 daily candles are formed. So in our indicator we have to put 71 bars, and this percentage 10.5 we have to put in our charting screener to find out which are the stocks which are currently stronger than Nifty. So 71 bars means we have to put in this setting 71. Now our indicator is ready. Now one by one we'll go in all sectors. These are the sector charts. CNX Metal, CNX Reality, like this. If you search in TradingView, you will find out the sector charts. So you see here one more setting we'll do in style. We'll close this confirmation bubble because this is not required. So you see here red line is there. Red line means it is below zero, means this metal sector has not perform as Nifty has performed. It has performed lesser than Nifty. So this itself is showing that it is weaker than Nifty. Reality sector, if you go, this is also red, means this is also weak. Infra weak. Public sector enterprises is weak from long time. So you should not put your money in public sector. Energy is weak. Finance, you see, finance is strong. Finance is one option where we can put our money. Bank Nifty is strong. Bank Nifty is above zero, means Bank Nifty is strong. But this trend is falling. You see trend also. From here to here, this trend was uptrend. You see like this. It was a uptrend, then it has been falling. So it is now coming down. So from this one also better is IT. If you see IT, this trend is also up and it is positive from this date itself. So you have to put in IT sector. Pharma, if you see, it is also good, and auto sector is weak. Suppose now you have find out that IT sector is good. So what you have to do is go to IT sector stocks and one by one check in IT sector which are the stocks where you can put your money. So for that I will open, suppose TCS you open. So here you see it has crossed zero and it is going uptrend. So this is good. HCL you see it is very clear line from this point onwards. This point onwards, if on this system itself somebody traded, means he can easily get 26% in almost around 105 daily candles, means 150 days. So like this works. Wipro you see from here it has clear uptrend. This is Mindtree. Then Infosys. It has come above, then here you would have exited, again entry, and now also it is giving good return. Suppose this point somebody has taken entry and he would have exited when RS line goes below zero. Suppose at this point he would have got 6%. Now again he would have taken entry at somewhere here, and now also he would have been in this trade 8% again got. Bharti Airtel is not IT stock but telecom stock, you can say. This is also positive from long time, like very long time. So Bharti Airtel is a good stock. Suppose now you want to check any stock, this indicator itself will show this is weak. Reliance is weak, so why to put your money in Reliance? Naukri, if you click, it is stronger from long time. Like from here onwards, if you see, this is strong. So Naukri is good. Like this, you can find out which now whatever stock you are having in your portfolio, you check with this number 71. Now next day when you are checking, you have to make this number 72. Understood na? Because that day this next candle will be formed. And one easy way is to see whether your stock is holding this low or not. Then now today how I will know that which are the stocks which are already above zero line. In that I will try to find the entries where good price action will be there, EPS will be that, and all you can add for eliminating stocks. But for that I will give you one charting screener in the description box. This is that in charting screener. When you click this is charting link. When you click this page will be open. Okay, so here daily close minus 47 day ago close. This 47 day is when I made this indicator. So today if you are using, you have to put 71. How much? 71. So you click this one, this page will open. There you have to write 71 and you have to do OK. Now this has become 71 days ago close, and here also you have to change 71 days ago. And this number minus 5.71, this is the last 71 days return. So just now we have seen in Nifty that last 71 days return is 10.5%. From here we have seen minus 10.5%. So in this indicator you have to write minus 10.5, minus 10.5. Now if you run this scan, you will get these stocks which are just crossing zero line. These are the 6 stocks which are just crossing zero line. Okay, now in this all 6 stocks you cannot take entry directly. You have to open this all 6 charts. Then you have to eliminate stocks based on price action, which is looking best price action, which is having EPS growth, earning per share growth, and ROE should be more than 15. These 3 criteria you apply. First is ROE should be more than 15. Second is EPS growth should be there in quarterly. Third is price action, like that should be breaking out with some zone, and your stop loss should be small if you keep a stop loss on the last low. One more thing you can add is in weekly chart you put 21 days relative strength and only enter in the stocks which are 21 RS positive in weekly chart. For your better understanding, I will open this chart. REL Infra, Reliance Infra. So we'll open from here Reliance Infra, REL Infra. If you open this and you see that it has just crossed zero line from bottom, and it was earlier also it was positive, then it went down, then again it is crossing the zero line. Okay, one thing is clear. This fundamental you can see in screener.in for the free. So you write REL Infra screener.in and this page will open. Now here you see ROE is minus 11%. So I will avoid these stocks simply because I don't want to put money in any bad company. And many other things I told you, that is the EPS growth. So EPS should be growing. Here EPS is there. So EPS is growing. EPS is growing here because EPS was minus earlier and it is showing positive this quarter. So EPS per se it is okay, but ROE is negative. Then one other thing I told is price action. So if you see price action, if it breaks this level, first thing is that this level should be broken. So if you see that this level should be broken, because this is a sideways movement. Until unless it breaks this, you cannot expect a momentum. So I will avoid this. I will go to the next one. I will see one by one. Birlasoft. So B soft I will write. Then LT Technology. So just now we have seen that IT sector is strong. So I will try to find out some IT sector stock. So LTTS will see. So LTTS if you write here LTTS. and you open this one. If you see from bottom, it is crossing zero line, and it is also a sideways movement. So you have to wait until some pattern has been made, like this, some trend line to be broken. That time your entry will be pakka. So don't do simply, because daily you will get some stocks. Now these are just crossing stock, but what about already which are stronger stock? There also we can have entry. So for that you have to change this thing, this crossed above, written a crossed above. This thing you click. When you click this crossed above here, it will come as greater than this one, greater than this, you click greater than. Now you run scan, so you will get around 336 stocks. These all stocks are stronger than Nifty. In this, if you see, Tata Consultancy is there, means it is showing which are the stocks which are already above zero. Then from these stocks also you can see if you get some entry with the breakout chart pattern. These are already above zero, but you have to find out whether some entry is possible. And the other thing which I shown is, suppose this stock is above zero, so one more elimination you can do with the weekly chart. You make this weekly chart, and in RS setting you make 21. The period will be 21. We'll try to see if RS we can change. Some problem is there. We'll refresh this page and we'll try again. So what I'm telling is, if RS is positive in weekly chart, then your chances of getting good momentum is very high, because RS21 is very long period. In weekly, if you see, 21 weeks means almost 6 months. So 21, if you put this RS indicator hour, you have to put apply, and then in setting you have to change it to 21. And if it is positive here also, then that is better. So here you see it is negative. It is currently negative. So I will avoid that stocks. Like that, if you search for daily, you will get some good stocks where this RS line will be uptrending. It will be like this uptrending. And your RS, I will show you with example. HCL Tech. In HCL Tech you see RS line is positive in 21 weekly chart. Now if we make daily chart, and daily chart we will put 71, the number which we discussed just now. What happened? Some bugs are there in this system. So if we see here and you put this setting 71, just now we saw, again we have to refresh this, where you will see a clear uptrend line will be there. This clear uptrend line is there, means that is best to take entry. So here this is a chart, and we'll put the indicator, then we'll go to 71, and we'll see whether uptrend line is there. So you see here, this is from this point itself, this uptrend line has crossed. When it crossed the zero line, it was a uptrend line. So that is the best thing for any stock, you can see like this. So it is now up. Now exit will be when it will cross the zero line, again down. Until that I will be in that position. So with that you can try to find out. If you don't want to use that screener, there is one paid version in Stockage, that is Stockage app. This is Stockage app, Vivek Bajaj app. Sir Vivek Bajaj sir has made this app. So here in analytics section you have to go in scan and price scan. Price scan, there is one adaptive and static relative strength scan. Here all things are there. Static RS means RS 123. So ARS going above 0, either SRS or ARS going below 0, and either SRS above 0. These are the stocks, 3 stocks which are showing SRS or ARS going above 0. So here for only ARS there is no separate scan, but for any of these SRS or ARS is going 0, these are the stocks. SRS is SR 123. ARS is from some particular level you are checking. Okay, so this was the whole system. I hope you like it. Use it with a small amount, try it and grab your hands. Like, this is a big thing. If you understand overall market will be in your pocket, because everybody wants to know which are the stocks which are stronger. So you can try it, and we'll see you next video. Subscribe if you have not till now. Subscribe and share it with your friends. All the best. Bye bye.